Oh yes, I'm looking forward to trying this wonderful espresso I just pulled. Well, that was sour. I don't know if I just drank espresso or bit into a lemon. If you've ever had an espresso shot that tastes like sour fruit, I feel your pain. But don't worry. Today I'll show you exactly why that happens and, more importantly, how to fix it.
So the first thing we're taking a look at is what even causes the sour taste in coffee. In most cases, it's just because your coffee is under-extracted.
When hot water passes through your coffee puck too quickly, it only pulls out the acids at the beginning, without extracting enough sugars, oils, and the rounder, deeper flavors that come later. This often happens when your grind is too coarse, or your brew time is too short, like if you're pulling 18 grams in and 40 grams out in under 20 seconds. Another common cause is brew temperature. If your machine is running too cool, let's say under 90 to 91 degrees Celsius, then especially with light roasts, it won't dissolve the flavorful compounds properly, and what you'll taste is mostly acidity.
So in short, sourness means not enough extraction, and we're going to fix that now. The first thing that I recommend is to grind finer.
A finer grind increases resistance, slows down the water, and gives the shot more time to extract those delicious sugars and fats that balance out the acids. If your shot is running in just 15 to 20 seconds, you're under-extracting. Adjust your grinder to a finer grind size, pull another shot, and check your extraction time. Aim for around 25 to 30 seconds total, depending on your dose and yield. You want that flow to be syrupy, not gushing. If you manage to get approximately an 1:2 ratio, so 18 grams in, 36 grams out, in around 25 to 30 seconds and your coffee still tastes sour, try the following thing. Raise your brew temperature, especially if you're working with lighter roasts. Most machines default to around 93 degrees Celsius, but very light roasts often need 94 to 95 degrees Celsius to get the most out of them. If your machine has a PID, try bumping it up 1 to 2 degrees. Now, not every espresso machine has temperature control, but you can still help your shot by making sure your portafilter is hot before you pull your shot. Run a blank shot or flush some water through it before brewing. This should help. So now we made sure that you are grinding fine enough. You get around a 1:2 ratio. So for example, 18 grams in, 36 grams out, and we made sure that you choose the right temperature, which in most cases should be higher than before. If your shot still tastes sour, this could be a few other possible causes. Take a look at your coffee beans. Very light roasts are harder to extract, especially if you don't have a machine with PID. Try to use a medium or a dark roast. They need less temperature and are a little bit easier to dial in general. Always use filtered water. Tap water is not ideal for espresso in most countries. Make sure everything is clean. Clean your group head, portafilter, and to scale your machine regularly to make sure that there are no coffee residues left that impact the taste of your shot. Improve your puck prep, use a WDT tool, and give it a good flat tamp. Channeling can also lead to under-extraction, so make sure your flow is nice and even. Alright, to wrap it up, if your espresso tastes sour, grind finer, raise the temperature, clean your gear, use filtered water, and try to do perfect and consistent puck prep every single time before pulling a shot. Let me know in the comments what worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Bye.